Organic degreasers offer numerous benefits, especially in comparison to traditional chemical-based degreasers. Environmental friendliness. Biodegradability. They break down naturally into harmless compounds, reducing environmental impact. Non-toxic formulation. Typically made from natural ingredients, they are safer for ecosystems and reduce water pollution. Health and safety. Reduced health risks. Organic degreasers tend to have lower or no volatile organic compounds, minimizing health risks for users. Less irritation. They are generally less harsh on the skin and respiratory system, reducing potential allergic reactions or irritations. Effective cleaning. Powerful degreasing. Despite being eco-friendly, they are often as effective as or even more effective than chemical-based degreasers in removing oil, grease, and grime. Versatility. They can be used on various surfaces without causing damage, including metals, plastics, and painted surfaces. Compliance and regulations. Meeting standards. Many industries are shifting towards eco-friendly practices to comply with environmental regulations and standards. Consumer demand. There's an increasing consumer demand for environmentally friendly products, making organic degreasers more appealing in the market. Long-term benefits. Less corrosive. They're less likely to cause corrosion or damage to surfaces, potentially prolonging the lifespan of equipment or materials. Reduced maintenance. With less damage and buildup, the need for frequent cleaning or maintenance decreases. Organic degreasers offer a balance between effective cleaning power and a reduced environmental footprint, making them a favorable choice for various industries and applications.